Welcome to this video on how to resolve a pending Cash App payment. If you've encountered a payment status that remains pending, this video will guide you through several troubleshooting steps to help fix the issue. First, check your internet connection and the status of Cash App itself. Ensure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network, and check websites like Down Detector to see if there is a known service outage affecting the platform. Next, ensure both your Cash App and your device's operating system are up to date. Outdated software can often cause transaction failures. Visit your device's app store to check for any available updates for the app. Third, verify your account details and funds. Double-check the recipient's dollar cash tag or phone number, and ensure your linked bank account has sufficient balance to cover the transaction, and that the account is active. If the issue persists, try restarting your device and clearing the app cache. For Android users, this can be done through your phone's storage settings. For iOS, you might choose to offload the app to refresh it. If you have tried all these steps and the payment is still pending, contact Cash App support directly through the app. You can find the support option in your profile menu, where you can start a chat with an agent. Finally, remember that there are platform-specific troubleshooting steps. iOS users can try force closing the app or reinstalling it, while Android users can force stop the app and clear data if necessary. Thank you for watching.